2019 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, front reading lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.